With Jagjot Singh, and today I'll show you how to use a clamp meter. So as you can see, this is a clamp meter that I had bought. So it has an LCD screen, a data hold button, and this clamp push. So when you push this, that opens, and a dial to check. So this can measure AC voltage. No, AC voltage till 750 volts, DC voltage for till 1000 volts. It can check the resistance like 200 within 200 ohms to 20 kilo ohms, 20 mega ohms to 1000 mega ohms, and it can check the amps of 200 and 1000 amps. So I'll show you how to use it. So this data hold is nothing but if there's a voltage, literally, like as you can see, there's some voltage. I don't know how. I'll just press this button and it holds that voltage. I don't know, this is doing something to this. So it holds that, and when you leave it, it goes. And as you can see, I hold it. So this is mostly used for like when you run like testing equipment. When you run something new, you just check the max and you press this and it will hold that, and then after some time you can see, like when you are looking at something else and you want to measure the amps, max amps. So like, and I'll show you with a demonstration using a battery. As you can see, this is a lead acid battery, and I'll short it, but this will be on one of these. So, and I'll put it to 200 amps, and then you should be able to see the amps clearly. So just let me short it. Oh, ouch! That's hot. Oh, the solder joints are coming off. Jesus Christ. I think the data hold was on. Yep. As you can see. Yep. Ouch! That was very hot. So this can be useful like when you want to do this. Okay, crap. I by mistake to press data hold before. As you can see, around 9 amps of output current. So the clamp meter is pretty useful for checking like mains voltage, how much amps you're drawing, and all that. So thank you guys for watching, and bye.